Oh, we're having a laugh here. We couldn't remember what it's called. Hey, welcome back, Taylor Cooks. Another quick midweek one. We've got some pork steak, we've got some leek, we've got some potatoes, and I thought I'd do pork with leek in a nice rich gravy with some fondant potatoes, which we couldn't remember the name of, and some roasted pumpkin, which you might have seen that we've just done a couple of moments ago. Well, we haven't done the roasted one. We've just actually devoured the pumpkin, ready for eating and saving. So here we go. Check out this pork, potatoes, leek, rosemary, butter, red wine, and just over here we've got some of that absolutely amazing pumpkin, which I'm going to roast off, and we're going to have that with it as well. Okay, this is how we do it. Right, so I'm going to make some fondant potatoes to go with this. I always think there's a lot of waste with fondant potatoes because you have to cut them out, but never mind. Let's do for this one, and I'm sure they'll taste absolutely amazing. They normally do. It's not difficult to do, and there's all different types of fondant potatoes. It depends really on what sort of flavours you want. The one I'm going to do today is going to have a bit of chicken stock and also a little bit of red wine. I like red wine, and it's one of those things. And Mrs. Taylor, who doesn't cook, who is listening to me, likes red wine as well, so they're going to taste really nice. But first of all, if you get them peeled, any waste that you have, you can use as mash, I suppose, can't you? And the like. This one doesn't seem to be the best potato, but we'll see where we go with it. Might have to get another one. So I hope you like the Christmas specials. We worked pretty hard on those. And lots of great food to be had, and really quite easy for you to replicate at home. That's the whole idea, saving money and replicating nice, easy, tasty meals. That's one side there. That doesn't look so clever as well, does it? Crikey. Never mind. Let's get all the bad bits off and see where we go. Right, now, I was going to use that ring, but I'm not now. I'm going to use the smaller one. And we'll see how much we get from it. So like I said, there's always a lot of waste because all you want is a circle, but that you can use for mashed potato. So to one side. And always your most difficult bit is getting the bloody ring out, getting the spud out. Never mind. I'll get two out of that. No, I won't. Oh! Wow, that was so difficult to do. Thought it'd be easy. Obviously it's not. But anyhow, there's one. I don't really think. I think the easiest way is use that as a guide. I think that's going to be the easiest way. Use that as a guide rather than trying to get it out. It took me forever to get it out, and I bet if I put it in now we're going to have the same problem, so I'm not going to, so I'm just going to use that. Wow, I can't believe how difficult that was just to get that out. Right, never mind, stick that in there, keep the rest, and then what we'll do, we'll take the top off that so it looks pretty uniform, and same applies to this one as well. Okay, so we've got the pork to go on, we've got the leeks to go on. These need to go on first of all because they're going to take really the longest. So what I need to do now is to get these in cooking, and there's my butter. Oh, there's my butter. I wonder where they've gone to. So let's get these in cooking first of all. Some garlic in. olive oil. Rosemary. Sprigs of rosemary out the garden. So let's get some red wine in. Just about halfway up. A little bit of chicken stock. And we'll get that in the oven. Right, so the fondants are now in the oven. They take the longest to cook. I've also put some of the pumpkin in as well to roast. There's our pork steak, which we'll deal with in a second. And I'm going to do some leeks. And then we're going to fry the leeks off. A little bit of butter in. A bit of oil in. Get our leeks and start frying the leeks off. Right, let's just get this out for a minute. They take ages, leeks do, to cook, so that's why I did them first. Right, let's pop that back on. Brilliant. That's what we want. Quickly coloured. Let's get some red wine in. Get all of our leeks back in. And then we've got our gravy mix. Lid on.